I asked the chancellor of the New York City Public Schools last year, when we're having dinner, how much do you really spend for every child in, let's say, the second grade in the public schools in the South Bronx? A little boy like Mario, who's in second grade. He told me it's about $6,000. $6,000 for a little kid like Mario. If Mario lived outside of New York City, in the richest, nearly all-white suburb, Great Neck on Long Island, we would be spending $16,000 on his education every year. Well, they may be of equal value in the eyes of God, but they are clearly not of equal value in the eyes of America. Every one of us has won our victories within a game that has been rigged to our advantage in advance. And all those victories will be contaminated in our knowledge till the hour that we die, because we know we won them on a playing field that was not level when we went to school and is not level now. That's the truth we have to live with. And if it puts a burden on our hearts, let me assure you that the burden that we bear is very light compared to the one that we have placed upon the hearts of kids like Mario.